Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is Nigerian vegetable soup with a twist. I used two special vegetables in this soup that made it a twist. In my mother's dialect, this soup is called Ofe Aroba. I'm very sure you would like to know the twist I apply in this delicious vegetable soup. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. We have for this particular vegetable soup are 1. Scent leaf, water leaf, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, Ogiri, crayfish, stockfish, Shaki, snail, boneless mackerel fish, salt to taste, seasoning cube, and lastly palm oil. Please note, for the protein, do use any protein of your choice, but make sure you don't skip either fresh or ice fish. It is very important in this soup. For the vegetable, you can substitute the water leaf with spinach. Alright? Here in the pot, I got Shaki, stockfish, diced onion, seasoning cube, a pinch of salt and water, and I will cover and allow it to cook down for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the meat is cooking, let's prep our vegetables, of which water leaf will be the first one I'll be cutting. After that, I will also cut the scent leaf, which is our basic ingredient for today, and squeeze the scent leaf like once or twice and set aside. Why I am cutting the scent leaf last is because it easily changes color. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please hit the subscribe button with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload lovely videos like this. Like this video, share this video to families and friends, and also drop your comment as you keep watching. While that is aside, let's check the Shaki and stockfish that we've been cooking. From my findings, they are good and tender enough to add the snail. Now I will add the snail and then cover and allow it to cook together for at least 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, Virtuous family, this is what we got. Now I will add the mackerel fish carefully. As I earlier said, you can use any fresh fish or ice fish of your choice, but don't skip fish, because fish play a very big and good role as far as this vegetable soup is concerned. Please note that the reason why I added the mackerel fish late is for it not to scatter, mainly this one that I remove the center bone. Alright, while that is done, next is to add the blended pepper mix, which is Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, crayfish, and Ogiri. After which, add the seasoning cube, salt to taste, and palm oil. After adding the palm oil, stir very well to combine, but please be very careful with the fish so that it won't scatter. After stirring, add a little water of truth. This authentic Nigerian vegetable soup does not require too much water. Cover after stirring and allow all the ingredients added to cook well together for at least 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, Virtuous family, this is what we got. I will now add the water leaf, and stir to combine. Oh yes, my kitchen is really reporting now with a very nice aroma, and I'm extremely happy about that. Yeah, while that is done, next is to add our scent leaf, which is called in my mother's dialect areba. Virtuous family, if you ever taste this vegetable soup, you will always ask for more. The flavor of the scent leaf took this vegetable soup to another special level. If you are from Nigeria, you will always testify of what I am saying, that the taste of scent leaf never disappoints us in any of our dish we added it to. True or false? Please let's know that at the comment section. As you can see, I am stirring everything to combine. After that, I will cover to steam on a low heat for at least 3 minutes. As you know, this is vegetable. You don't have to allow it to overcook so that they won't lose their nutrients. Alright? 3 minutes later, Virtuous family, open. This is what we got. My hubby is already in the kitchen asking me what I'm cooking because he was perceiving the aroma right in his room. Now let's check and balance the taste, and I must confess this is absolutely delicious. On this junction, Virtuous family, our Nigerian vegetable soup with a twist, ofe araba, is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, hope you enjoy every clip of today's video. Please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more beautiful videos like this. Share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment. Please try this vegetable soup and give us your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.